Yeah, hi friends. Let's have a quick revision of this financial reporting May 2023 paper. I don't want to take too much of your time. Okay, just very quick review where this focus was there, whether it is paper is tricky or is it easy or average. Yeah, if you answer me in very short and that is an average paper. Isn't it very difficult? No, not at all difficult. But as usual, students do say it is lengthy. I agree. Yes, it is lengthy. Okay, and at the same time many questions are coming from yes institute material as it is, and almost all the questions are there from my India's made easy book and financial reporting made easy book. And I feel yes, lengthy paper but not too much tricky, except one or two places where they try to link it with another standard. That place a student must have felt it as tricky, otherwise it's fine. If the person with reasonable preparation would have done excellent job. That's what I feel personally. Okay, yeah, let's see the question by question. Yes, very quick revision as I told you already. Yep. And after this exams, once exams are completed, then I'm going to release one more in detail for each some solution also I'm going to provide, and I'll be having discussion of what is to be done for each and every aspect. Okay. See, this question, first question was exactly about Ind AS 103. Yes, Ind AS 103. And this question is there in the study material as well as in my books, basically. Right. There's nothing, no new point as such, I feel. Right. As usual, consideration is given, and contingent consideration is also, deferred consideration is also been given. Everything is straight away provided in this. Yeah, just link of India's 102 related. I mean, if you're taking over the ISAP related things also, right? Then how to deal with those things. And as usual, contingent liability, same question exactly is available in the institute material as well as in my material. Correct? Exactly same thing has been given. Right? Yes, this is for 15 marks, and obviously good question which will take considerable amount of time. This was already asked in the past. Okay, right. I don't think if the one who has practiced it already one or two times, I don't feel it is going to be a difficult task. Right. Let's look at the B bit, my dear. B bit is also very simple. Okay, yeah. B bit is this is a link between INDES. This is a link between INDES 1 and plus INDES 10. Yeah, this is an exception to this is an actually carve out of IAS 10. Correct. When it is a long-term borrowing, it is a long-term borrowing, and if you have not, after 31st March, if you have an understanding with the, there are covenants which you could not satisfy the covenants, that's why you're supposed to pay it immediately. But yeah, before closing the financial statements, you met the banker and the person agreed to it. Then what will happen? Whether it should be classified as a current liability or it should be classified as a non-current liability. Yes, you are supposed to look into Ind AS 10 aspect, that exception wala. At the same time, Ind AS 1 for the current and non-current. Right. This question also exactly same question is available in the text. I think this must have been already asked also. Yes. And next question, if you see the second question, yeah, this is actually pretty easy question, my dear. But yes, some small tricky points have been inserted. Yes, this kind of question. Sorry. One second. No, this question is same. This is like India's 105. India's 105. The same question is, I think, in my material. It is question number 2. Right. This is basically India's 105. The accountant will be messing it up. Correct. Now they will feel that this is a discontinued operation, but actually it is not a discontinued operation. Yeah, discontinued operation means there should be a sale involved, but here there is no sale. Just they are just pausing the operation for the purpose of demand is low. Okay, and he has classified as held for sale, which you are supposed to take it back, and you are supposed to make a depreciation, and all other things will become normal. That's it. This is a straight question, my dear. Yeah, and this B bit of 6 marks and C bit are also 6 marks. These 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12 marks, are coming from Ind AS 115. Yeah, this is Ind AS 115 purely revenue recognition, and here also initially the incentives we expect that we are not going to achieve it in the target time or something, so it should not be taken as a variable consideration. And in the second year also the same thing will happen, but by the end of the third year, yes, you will be achieving it Yes, as you know, there is a constraint on recognizing the revenue. Yeah, on conservatism basis, you are supposed to go unless until you are very sure. Otherwise, don't record it. Show the less revenue, that's fine, but you're not supposed to show the higher amount of revenue and wherein you are going to reverse the same in the future. Right? That is the concept, my dear. It is basically percentage of completion basis. This answer can be cracked, and the same question is obviously available in the materials. Okay, right. And the next cbit also, if you, yeah, cbit also, this is also same thing, my dear. If you this is also available in India. This is, as I told you, it is also from 115. Yeah, in the material here it is written as air conditioner. There it is written with a different name. That's it. Otherwise, numbers, every numbers may be little bit here and there different, but matter is exactly same as it is available in my books. Okay, and let's look at this third bit, my dear. Yeah, third bit, if you see, this is exactly in days 41. Same question as it is from the ICA material. It is available in every material. Okay, same question, same cows, same milk, and the ages, etc. That's what, one and a half year, 3 years, 4 years, exactly same. If the student, somebody practiced this sum already, then it's just like drinking cow milk only. Okay, right. Chalo. Let's go to the next bit of the third question. Yeah, here he purchased something like 42 lakh worth of land for construction. This is basically Ind AS 16 related question. Yeah, here one point is given, correct? Now they have demolished the existing building which is on the land, and they have constructed the building. Yeah, whatever the cost of demolition of the existing structure, this should be charged to profit and loss, and rest of the things I don't think you will find something different. Similar model question exists in my material as it is. I don't remember exactly which page or which question number, but yes, almost everything again here. Not only that, India is 16, my dear, he has cleverly, and obviously it is relevant, and practically it is very much relevant. That has been linked with India 37. Yeah, that is provisions, contingent liabilities, and contingent assets. Correct. At the end of the 25th year, you have an obligation to restore it, demolish the factory building. Yes, then you're supposed to make a provision that has to be at the present value of the future outflows, that should be added to the cost of your fixed asset. Correct. Other than, at the same time, here also what is he says, he has taken a loan. Correct. Now see this, is also beautifully he has linked it. That is nothing but Ind AS 23 borrowing cost. Yes, and they said this, they have told it very clearly at later point of time. It is considered a substantial period of time. That means the construction of so and so building is obviously a qualifying asset. Then borrowing costs are supposed to be capitalized. Yes, that is the basic information. Okay, yeah, here you that is the matter. Next, go to the CBT, my dear. Mr. A has investment in X Limited, Y Limited. Under the circumstances, M is a related party. Yes, okay. A question from India 24. Okay, it's been, I mean, I've been not asked actually from India 24 for a very long time. Okay, at least they have given this time for 4 marks. Super. That is nice, at least an attempt made by them. Yes, my dear. And again, the fourth sum. This fourth sum is coming from Ind AS 109, my dear. That is financial instruments. Obviously, I do always say that without financial instrument, without Ind AS 115, without Ind AS 116, you can't claim that you know Ind AS. Correct. Now, if you don't know these three standards, say better you don't know Ind AS only. That's the truth. Yeah, everything. The crux of the Ind AS lies in these three beautiful standards. That is where you need to have good amount of knowledge. Got it? Yeah. So this is same question, my dear. Loan disbursement, same question, exactly same question. Correct. Now, with all the interest we have solved in the class also. The interest, it will be done in the simple interest basis will be calculated, and it will be summed up. That interest, total interest, will not be paid on year. It will be paid at the end of the third year. It will be paid at the end of the third. Last 3 years may will be paid. Same ditto question is available in my material, is being discussed in the classroom. Exactly same question. Yeah, this is a theory question, my dear. That is nothing but conceptual framework, which is part of my any class on the day one of conceptual. There is framework. What is asset liability related? Is it faithful presentation? Qualitative characteristics. Yeah, that is a qualitative characteristics. right? That is what reliability should be there, comparability should be there, right? Those aspects is already obviously discussed. And there is a small question that is any one of them. Actually, I feel this is more easy to write it if you had studied. Yeah, this is integrated reporting, say the same question, anyhow optional for you, right? If you look at this one, this is one more beautiful question, 16 marks question. And we have discussed the same question in the classroom. Yes, this is nothing but Ind AS 108, that is operating segments. Yeah, this there is nothing new in this question, my dear. Same question has been already asked for two times. Yes, the student who has actually practiced it on the paper, that guy must have cracked it like, and he must be very happy, very, very, very happy, because you don't need to apply much thing. But this can be written by only those students who have practiced it on the paper pen. Yeah, who have audited the question, whether Ravi Kanth did correct or ICA has done correct, then obviously those kids would have not cleared. I mean, could have not written properly. Obviously, there will be problem. Yeah, who has practiced it, Pakka would have written and enjoyed that time. Next. Yeah, and this question is basically, I mean, this is again once again a question on Ind AS 2037. Correct, na? Yes. That, I mean, this is the telecom operator. They are laying the lines, telecom lines under the seabed also, and as per the laws of this country, they are saying that you are supposed to restore it. Correct. Now you are supposed to fill the gap and etc. etc. Yes, you are supposed to make a provision as per the Ind AS 37. The minute you started digging, then you have an obligation to restore it to original condition as per the specific laws of that country. Okay, yes, your answer is going to be you are supposed to make a provision as per Ind AS 37 from the day one you started digging. Okay, and let's look at the index. I mean, the sixth question, that is A. Discuss the following situations as per index 10. Yeah, these are all very quiet and simple. Almost all the questions are available from the index made easy book. Right? Yeah, first question, it's like I can just simply touch it upon. Supervisory board permission is not the final one, my dear. Approval of financial statements means only board of directors approval. No other approval is, I mean, not going to be considered. Okay, like that, these are all very simple questions, my dear. All the questions are available in the material, right? And again, this is again, once again, obviously it is Ind AS 109 related question. Yes, but here it's what is that you are giving, this V company is giving a loan to fully owned subsidiary company. Correct. And the interest is, what is the interest? It is the interest free rate, and market rate of interest is equal to 8%. That the advantage whatever you are giving it to the subsidiary is nothing but a capital contribution made, that is investment in the subsidiary company will be, I mean, correct. Now present, what is the amount given is equal to 100 rupees if you say, and the present value of it is equal to 80 rupees. That means 20 rupees is going to be investment in subsidiary, wherein the subsidiary company is going to record it as a capital reserve. It is additional benefit what they have got it, and depends actually. The same question has been discussed in the classroom from different angles. Okay, right. And when you see this, this is again index number 2, that is inventory related calculation. And again, this question is from the ICA material also, I think. Same question is available in our material, right? Yeah, there is nothing new in this question. Same, I mean, as it is, question has been asked as it is. Okay, and the next one, the debit if you see. Yeah, the debit if you see, my dear. What is this? This is nothing with, this is with respect to Ind AS 110. Ind AS 110, that is consolidation. Okay, yeah, when you are selling it by losing the correct by losing the unsale of yeah, what is that, you have got 80 percentage, you disposed of it, I mean, you have got 100 percentage, you disposed of 80% of the stake. That means you lost the control. But even though by losing the control, you still have got the 20 percentage of stake. That is nothing but investment in associate. That investment in associate has to be measured at fair market value. Yes, obviously there will be gain or loss, and you will be removing, correct, because you are not going to do consolidation. In the consolidated financial statement, we will be recognizing all the assets, liability, minority interest, and recognize only our investment. That's it, my dear, as I told you. And this is not very difficult question, I don't want to say that way. But yes, average question, the average question paper, as well as bit lengthy paper, without any doubt. But Only the suggestion, if you have done enough of practicing again, correct? Now, practicing doesn't mean that you need to look at auditing the questions. If you had taken the paper, pen, rough paper, and you solved the sums, I don't think so. You would have found it difficult. I'm getting many messages that wherein they're expecting like 80 plus or 60 plus, 80 plus, whatever that there's an expectation as of today, and wish you all the very best for your future examinations.